Like, this is ridiculous. You just don't even go that far.
In here.
Try not to fart.
Do
not fart, okay?
Gracie's like, I don't like it in here. Dude, it gets like kind of tight.
Always gonna be tight.
Oh. So tight. Oh, I don't like it. I want to get down into dirt. I'm backing up. So we just stopped at Ice Cave, and I'm not sure why they have such nice stair steps to it. Tiny little hole to go into. Now we're walking up to Horse Thief.
There's a lot of spiders in there. You said there was a guy in there? No, there's a lot of spiders in there.
It doesn't go anywhere.
Oh, it doesn't go anywhere.
Just spiders?
It's just a girl. There's not that many.
No, look at the ceiling.
We were informed there's a lot of spiders in here. It's a neat little entrance.
Yeah.
She says they're on this thing.
Over there.
I feel like this guy is way overpacked for this trail. We are at our next state park, the Palisades State Park. The last one, we went to go check out the trails, and it just looked like a field. So we opted out of that to come over here to go hiking. It looked a little more interesting. And there's not a lot of signage here or trail maps at all. So we just picked a trail and we're hiking down. It's a pretty big hill to go down, so we're gonna have quite a walk to get back up. But this looked like a pretty interesting place. And I think one thing about Iowa, it can be a bit anticlimactic. That's why I'm gonna put a whole bunch of parks in here, so that if you happen to be driving through, maybe you want to stop at some of them. The park that we're stopping at Alleges has a nice campground though, so I do have to say that, but they're pretty small and short little parks though here. So when they say lodge here, they're not an actual lodge where you could stay at. They're just really nice pavilions to rent and have like a picnic in. We were looking for this really neat trail they got a picture of here. We walked just about all the trails and we haven't found it, so we think it's like one of the connector trails. It's like a trail that goes over top of a trail, but we can't find it. Oh well. We're heading back to the car. Just about time to fill the bellies up. This is a really beautiful bridge out here. We're on Cool Hollow Trail. Looks like it's made out of cedar. So we found what we were looking for, I believe. We walked right past it. This was a really interesting little park here to walk around in. I think everybody enjoyed themselves coming here. Nice little trails.
Especially considering it's an Iowa park.
So if you like steps, lots and lots of steps, you just say, I can't get enough hiking on some steps, Ledges State Park in Iowa is the place for you. This path we're walking on is pretty fascinating. With these like concrete pads down to walk on. I guess it's to keep the erosion down. You can typically just drive down there, but it's been closed right now, so. And it's usually not too bad of a walk from the campground. So we always like that, you're able to walk right from the campground. But today, I think all the Arctic air from South Dakota is catching us up. Been here a couple of days, I probably should have filmed the first day when it was much warmer. So the other day when we came down, the water level was really high and you couldn't cross the water. We came down the steps and we were stuck on this little island, had to take our shoes off to cross. So just be leery of that depending on how high the water is. It looks right now there's like little stepping stones that we can get on to get across. We were walking down on top of this mountain right here. And we made our way all the way down the mountain. Here's another water crossing.
That was cold.
That was my son, who didn't bring enough socks, is wearing flip-flops and it's trying to snow outside at 36 degrees.
That's what happened.
This is what you get teenagers. And what's scary, the business we were taking care of was to get his license. So he drives now. So you all be very, very afraid. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. But we'll see you on the other side.